Welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where my goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 total body exercises that you can do at home using the exercise ball. But before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, click the link in my bio so I can help you stay inspired, keep you motivated. But right now, we're going to do these exercises. Let's get it. All right, before we get started, of course, we got to warm up, ladies. So the first exercise we're going to do, we're going to reach up, touch our knees, toes. All right, we're going to do this 8 times. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 more. 6, 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise, we got jumping jacks. If you can't do those the regular way, you can also do it this way and you'll still get the same effect, okay? All right, whatever's comfortable for you. We got 8. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, the next warm-up exercise. All right, standing, alternating crunches. All right, we're gonna do this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, last exercise. We're gonna get down on the floor. We got 8 push-ups. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, after that, go ahead and take a break, get some water, do it 2 more times, and then we're gonna start the workout. All right, ladies, so we're gonna start standing, holding the ball. All right, we're gonna reach up and squat. All right, bringing the ball down, up, and squat. All right, we're gonna do this movement 8 times, all right? All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 more. 6, 7. Last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next one. All right, we're just gonna rotate to the left, back in the middle, to the right, back in the middle, okay? Left and right is 1. We have 8 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, halfway. Suck your stomach in. 5, 6, we got 2 more. 7, last one. 8, good job. All right, go ahead and take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, now, so we're back. You're gonna get on your back. All right, go down slowly. All right, make sure your back is on the floor, putting the ball right in between your feet, and you're gonna raise it all the way up as high as you can and back down. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, for this one, you're gonna bring the ball all the way up. You're just gonna sit up and touch the ball. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, so now we're back. All right, so you're gonna get back on Bringing your feet on the ball. All right, and you're gonna simply raise up as high as you can. You're just gonna hold it. All right, we have 20 seconds. Ready? Let's get it. Make sure you're breathing. Three, two, one. Good job. All right, this time you're just gonna bridge up and down, up and down. All right, we have these 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, stop, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, the last 2 exercises, you're gonna have the ball already on the floor. You're just gonna simply roll out, roll out. All right, and now you're at a plank position, and you're just gonna hold it for 20 seconds, okay? Ready? Let's get it. Make sure you breathe in, sucking your stomach in. Keeping everything tight. We got 3, 2, good job. All right, and the last one, you're gonna stay in that same position, go out a little bit more, and you're just gonna do push up and back down. All right, we have these 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, roll back slowly. All right, so that completes the round. You're gonna do this 3 rounds total, okay? Make sure you're taking a break in between each round. And remember, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help, click the link, let me help you get started. And I'll see you ladies on the next video.